Looking for the best VPN to either spoof your location globally or get the most value for your money? You've probably come across two big names, ExpressVPN and Mullvad. But which one is right for you? In this video, we'll break down the pros and cons of both ExpressVPN, known for its robust global location spoofing features, and Mullvad, the VPN favored by bargain hunters. Stick around to find out which one might actually be holding you back and what I personally recommend as the best alternative for both goals. Let's start with ExpressVPN. Known for its extensive server network spread across nearly 100 countries, ExpressVPN is a powerhouse if you're all about spoofing your location. Whether you're trying to access content in different countries or hide your real IP from websites or streaming platforms, ExpressVPN is hard to beat for global reach. The service is easy to use, with quick and reliable connections in most countries. However, that level of performance comes with a higher price tag. Now, Mullvad VPN offers something completely different, and it's especially attractive to bargain hunters. With Mullvad, you pay a flat fee, no matter how long you use it. This simplicity in pricing is great for people who want value without the complexities of monthly or yearly plans. It's also one of the few VPN services that accepts anonymous payment options, including cash, which appeals to those who value privacy in more ways than one. But while Mullvad is cheaper, it doesn't have the same global coverage as ExpressVPN. With servers in only around 40 countries, it's more limited for location spoofing purposes. Next thing, both of these services boast strong security features. ExpressVPN uses AES 256 encryption, which is pretty much the gold standard, along with a kill switch to make sure your data is never exposed. Mullvad also employs top-tier encryption and offers a unique feature, a built-in port forwarding option. This can be a deal breaker if you're looking for that extra layer of control, especially for activities like gaming or torrenting. But here's the catch: ExpressVPN is well known for its speed, but that comes at a cost. If you're not concerned about location spoofing and you're really trying to maximize your budget, Mullvad could be the better option. But don't expect lightning-fast speeds across the board with Mullvad. You might experience more variation compared to ExpressVPN, depending on your location. Now, let's talk about privacy. ExpressVPN has a strict no-logs policy, and it has been independently audited to back this up. However, it's based in the British Virgin Islands, which is outside of major surveillance alliances like the 5/9/14 eyes, but still something to consider. Mullvad, on the other hand, goes a step further with its no-logs policy. It doesn't even require you to provide an email address to sign up, making it an excellent choice if you want to remain completely anonymous online. The fourth thing to consider is customer support. ExpressVPN has a well-established support team with 24/7 live chat, ensuring you get assistance whenever needed. Mullvad, while it has great documentation, doesn't offer live chat. This can be a hassle if you're the type who needs quick support or troubleshooting help. Both of these VPNs have their strengths, but if your main goal is to spoof your location globally, ExpressVPN's extensive server list and strong performance make it the top contender. If you're looking for an affordable VPN and you're willing to sacrifice some location options and speed for better value, Mullvad is a solid choice. But here's the thing, after trying both of these VPNs myself, neither fully meets all of the goals we've mentioned here. If you want a better alternative that gives you both strong global spoofing and a better price-to-performance ratio, I recommend checking out the first link in the description. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers.